It looks like some
3,
a lot of the
2,
bots.
1, go. Let's get things started. First blood. Double kill. Well done. Killing spree. Well done. Dominating. Well done. Humiliation. Well done. Humiliation. Well done. Unstoppable.
Alright, so I want to clarify this is the first game on the PC.
Well done. Incoming fire.
Usually I like to play on mobile. And it got me a few seconds till I figured out how to charge it. Wow, very nice. Alright, let's do this. Next. Next. Oh, I will need full ammo for this guy.
Smackdown.
Alright, let's deal with you.
Smackdown.
Now next one.
Well done.
Next.
Humiliation. Smackdown.
Next.
Well done. Nemesis. Fire. Well done. Multi-kill. Well done. Nemesis. Well done. Smackdown. Well done. Smackdown. Well done.
You have too much help to deal with. Okay, if you wanna go, you go. Oh, we have a kill shot on the slide. Okay.
Humiliation.
Next.
Well done.
Next of model.
Humiliation. Well done.
Oh wow.
Well done. Incoming fire. Smackdown. 3, 2, 1. You have 1
I would
minute.
say this was a distance go. Now, the strategy if you want to always end up on the first place with lots of kills. It's important that you make some tweaks on your team. This is one of the games when you need to do some free prep time, and yeah, as you can see, 26 kills, 7 kills. Now, the difference is I used a purple robot, and he used purple robot and purple weapons. Now let's see. We have at least one real player.
3,
Usually you can
2,
avoid
1.
real players.
Go. Get out of my way.
You also need to be very careful and very mindful.
First blood. Well done. Killing spree.
Also be
Well
careful
done.
for the players,
Double kill.
because some of them are no joke,
Humiliation. Well done.
and sometimes it's good to eliminate them if you can.
Well done.
Even though you might piss them off and they will chase you till the end of the game, but
Unstoppable.
yeah.
Humiliation.
I mean, they don't always show the angry face. It's like you
Rampage.
press very fast the buttons
Well
and
done.
they don't necessarily mean it.
Fire. Godlike. Well
But
done.
in this case,
Smackdown.
he
Well
just
done.
spawned near me trying to kill me. Which, if somehow they kill me, I will try not to go in the same lane as them. Also, the real players are not as precise as those robots who are instantly sniping you from a very large distance.
Smackdown.
And officially he's still chasing me. He didn't learn his lesson. Usually it's best to put your ego aside
Noob identified.
and just move on with the game.
Nemesis. Well done. Humiliation. Ghost. Well done. Humiliation. Humiliation.
Alright.
Humiliation. Well done. Multi-kill. Well done.
Oh, we have here one.
Smackdown.
Okay, another one.
Well done. Smackdown. Well done. Incoming fire.
Now I need to be very careful not to kill him, not to kill me. But I already have a very good score
Well
and
done.
usually even after 10 kills is enough.
Nemesis. Well done. Incoming fire. Noob identified. 3, 2, 1.
28 kills is
Won the
good
match.
enough, I think. Good points. Yeah, as you can see, they got nothing to do. So the strategy here is just to have a super robot while the others are not with the worst weapons. You need to be careful, because if you put the lowest weapons, then it won't end up good, because the system, the matchmaking will put you with higher enemies. Now we can see we have a player,
3, 2, 1. Go.
so we need to be
Let's
careful.
get things started.
Let's think, how should I play Killshot on this map? I don't want to be on the long range fight, I mean. I will just wait for someone to play like this and kill
First
it.
blood.
And then the next one will wait to see where he
Smooth
shows up,
operator.
from which direction. Oh, it looks like we have a few in here. Need to be careful around our backs, to watch our backs. And now, let's enjoy.
Identified.
Good
Killing
now.
spree.
Let's go back to the middle one.
Double kill.
And from middle you can go left, right, wherever you want. We just wait, we earn some points. You don't need to be super aggressive here. Watching the map also, to not get ambushed. And I'll be being a little
Dominating.
aggressive and even little
Humiliation.
dangerous.
Well done.
But yeah. Okay, let's get this one out of the way. This one too.
Unstoppable.
Now let's wait for them to spawn in here.
Well done.
Oh, they spawn too. This one will be a little dangerous since he can
Rampage.
reset our skills, which is not a good thing.
Well done.
because you can see there's another one coming right at us without singing.
Godlike.
Usually don't want to go in here
Nemesis.
because
Well done.
there's the main place that the robots spawn, and yeah, it will be a little dangerous. Now we can see that the center point was taken from us, so we're gonna take it back.
Victory imminent.
Well done.
Yeah, you can counter, for example, this my robot with I don't know, someone who resets skills, or even
Well done.
the other poster, I forgot his name,
Smackdown.
the one that puts a barrier, a very tight barrier. Oh, we have one who places bombs. This is nice. Now, where will the duck go?
Nemesis. You have 2 minutes
And
remaining.
we just won the game.
Fires. You have won the match.
It's important to have a balance. You also want to take care of the enemy robot, but also don't forget about capturing. Oh, he was African. Oh, 2 players. Okay, and I have 1 bot. That's not very good.
3, 2,
But this map, I
1,
think,
go. Let's get things
is
started.
good. But it's also hard. I need to be very careful and mindful. Okay, he has a fast robot, and okay, I can beat this one.
First blood. Well done. Double kill. Well done.
Let's see what he brings up to the table now. Yeah, he did reset my skills. This is very dangerous, but it's no problem.
Killing spree. Well done. Humiliation. Humiliation. Well done.
Because I came in prepared. Okay. It's also very important to know enemy skills.
Dominating. Well done. Smackdown. Well done. Smackdown. Well done. Reloading. Incoming fire. Unstoppable. Well done. Nemesis. Well done.
Oh.
Incoming fire. Well done.
Let's see who will be our first enemy. There are more casuals now. They are just standing there or not. Maybe they try to ambush by going a different route. Or maybe he's just after. Yeah, they are both in there.
First blood.
I think they give up.
Well done. Double kill. Well done.
They are not even trying. I guess I went a little too harsh on them.
Killing spree. Well done. Humiliation.
Oh, no.
Well done.
He's coming after the other one.
Humiliation. Well done. Dominating. Well done. Smackdown. Well done.
He's not FK, which is good. He's not giving up.
Smackdown. Well done.
He's too good. A bot and he's affected. Wow. I think
3, 2, 1. You have won the match.
yeah, I think I went a little too hard on them. He got 2 kills though. That wasn't so bad. We have 1, 2, at least three real players in here. This time I really need to be careful.
2, 1, go. Let's
Alright,
get
we have
things
a good kill now here.
First blood. Well
We'll
done.
encounter a player now. Let's see what does this robot got.
Noob identified.
We got a smiley face from him. Oh, we have a lot of robots in here.
Killing spree.
And
Well done.
one who's African. He's probably invincible in Africa mode.
Well done. Double kill.
Because yeah,
Well
they
done.
won't be fair really.
Dominating. Well done.
Alright,
Smackdown. Well done.
let's see what else. So we have one here. We have a very tank in here. And this guy just stole.
Unstoppable.
And we got another smiley face.
Incoming fire. Noob identified. Rampage. Well done. Humiliation. Well done. Incoming fire.
Oh my.
Gone.
Alright, next one.
Humiliation. Well done.
Irish bread. Hello, Irish bread.
Nemesis. Well done.
Next
Smackdown.
one.
Well done. Humiliation.
Alright, next one.
Well done. Multi-kill. Well done. Incoming fire. Smackdown.
Now I'm on cooldown, I need to be
Well
careful.
done. Incoming fire. Smackdown.
This one was a very close call.
Well done.
Good thing I have one who will give me some help.
Nemesis.
Another one who gives me help. Now I need to
Humiliation.
reload.
Well
I
done.
need to be careful for this one. And for Irish bread. Okay. It resets both our skills. I will deal with you first.
Incoming fire.
And then I will deal with you, sir. Alright.
Ghost.
I got the 20 kills
Well
mark.
done. 3, 2,
And I
1.
guess it was a good
Incoming
match.
fire. You have won the match.
No, was a good one. He got 2 robots. So as you can see, real player, and one who I might. I think this guy keep following me and try to kill me instead of focusing on killing others, small robots.